Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video, we will see top 20 GK questions which are asked in all exams. Friends, you watch the video but do not subscribe. You are requested to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So the first question is, when is World Day for International Justice observed across the globe every year? Right answer is option A, July 17. Friends, World Day for International Justice is observed across the globe on July 17 every year. On this date, the International Criminal Court was formally established in 2002 following the adoption of the Rome Statute. The headquarters of the International Criminal Court is in The Hague, Netherlands. The provision of State Public Service Commission are mentioned under. Right answer is option D, Article 315 to 323. Friends, the provision of State Public Service Commission are mentioned under Article 315 to 323. It is mentioned under Part 14 of the Constitution. A State Public Service Commission consists of a chairman and other members appointed by Governor of State. What will be the effect of increase in temperature on the resistance of an insulator? Right answer is option D, resistance will decrease. Who among the following is not mentioned in the second schedule of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, Chief Minister of States. Friends, Chief Ministers are not mentioned in the second schedule of the Constitution. Second schedule is related to salaries and emoluments. It includes President, Governor of States, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Speakers and Deputy Speakers of State Legislatures, Judges of Supreme Court and High Courts, Comptroller and Auditor General. Which of the following research stations is not located in Antarctica? Right answer is option B, Himadri. Friends, Himadri is the research station of India located in the Arctic region. It was inaugurated on July 1st, 2008 by the Ministry of Earth Science. Bharti was established in 2012 and Maitri was established in 1989. Purna, Manjira and Pranhita are tributaries of. Right answer is option D, Godavari. Friends, Godavari is the third largest river in India and the second largest longest river in India after the Ganga. It originates in Trimbakeswar, Nasik, Maharashtra and empties into the Bay of Bengal. Godavari river is also known as Dakshin Ganga. One of the important minerals for the generation of nuclear energy is. Right answer is option D, uranium. Friends, uranium is a chemical element with the symbol U and atomic number 92. A uranium atom has 92 protons and 92 electrons, of which 6 are valence electrons. Which of the following articles cannot be suspended during a national emergency? Right answer is option B, Article 20 and 21. Friends, during a national emergency, Article 20, which is related to protection in respect of conviction for offences, and Article 21, which is related to protection of life and personal liberty, cannot be suspended. The protection of Article 20 and Article 21 during emergency is enshrined in Article 359 of the Constitution. Who among the following Sikh Gurus laid the foundation of Khalsa Panth? Right answer is option C, Guru Gobind Singh. Friends, Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th Guru of the Sikhs. He was the son of Guru Tegh Bahadur. He was born in Patna in 1666 AD. Guru Gobind Singh was the last Guru of the Sikhs. The Khalsa Panth, a community that follows Sikhism, was founded by Guru Gobind Singh. The Union Budget of India is prepared by which Department of Finance Ministry? Right answer is option C, Department of Economic Affairs. Friends, Article 112 refers to the budget as an annual financial statement. The first independent budget of India was presented by R.K. Shanmughan Chetty on November 26, 1947. Merger of railway budget with union budget since 2017 after 93 years. Joint Public Service Commission is which type of body? Right answer is option B, statutory. Friends, Joint Public Service Commission is a statutory body. Note that UPSC and State Public Service Commission are constitutional bodies, but JPSCs are statutory bodies. Tulsidas, a poet who lived during the medieval times of Indian history, wrote Ramcharitmanas in which of the following languages? Right answer is option A, Awadhi. Friends, Tulsidas ji was born in Rajpur in Banda district of Uttar Pradesh in 16th century. He is considered to be the incarnation of Valmiki. Ramcharitmanas is a book written by Tulsidas in the Awadhi language. Ramcharitmanas is composed of 7 chapters. Balkand is the first and the longest of the 7 chapters of Ramcharitmanas. Kiskindha Kand is the shortest chapter of Ramcharitmanas. National Technology Day is observed on. Right answer is option C, 11 May. Friends, National Technology Day is observed on 11th May every year. This day was celebrated for the first time on 11 May 1999. The day is observed annually to mark the anniversary of the 1998 Pokhran nuclear test. One way of dating fossils is only by detecting the ratio of different blank of the same element in the fossil material. Right answer is option A, isotopes. Which vitamin is destroyed by heat? Right answer is option A, vitamin C. Friends, water soluble vitamins such as vitamin B complex and vitamin C leach into the cooking water. These vitamins are destroyed by heat. Fat soluble vitamins A, D, E and K leach into cooking oils. Who will be awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature 2023? Right answer is option C, John Foss. Friends, he will be given this award for his innovative plays and prose. The Nobel Prize in Literature is awarded by the Royal Swedish Academy, headquartered in Stockholm, Sweden. How many pairs of autosomes does a normal human have? Right answer is option C, 22. Friends, humans normally have 22 numbers of pairs of autosomes. Any chromosomes that is not a sex chromosome is called autosomes. Chromosome is a thread-like structure found in the nucleus. What is the periodicity of conducting agricultural census in the country? Right answer is option B, 5 years. In which of the following years did Jahangir die? Right answer is option D, 1627. Friends, Jahangir or Salim was the fourth Mughal emperor. He was the eldest son of Akbar. He assumed the title of Nuruddin Muhammad Jahangir. He ruled from 1605 to 1627. Captain Hawkins and Sir Thomas Roe visited Jahangir's court. To whom can the judge of the Supreme Court address his or her resignation letter? Right answer is option B, the President of India. Friends, Article 124(2) of the Constitution. A judge of the Supreme Court can resign by writing to the President. The tenure of the Supreme Court judge is 65 years, whereas a High Court judge 62 years. The President is the first citizen of the country. Friends, if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.